Hello to you, welcome back to my channel. Come on in, come join the club.
And I think to myself, what a wonderful.
I'm Lily, and in today's video we're going to do something a bit different. I saw Megan Short do this first, the queen that she is, and I was like, okay, I want to do that. So she got herself some brand new Nike Air Force Ones. I've seen so many people like on TikTok like paint their own, and I was like, whoa, I'd never be able, like, they look so cool and so expensive, but I'm gonna try and do it myself. I've got my paint. Obviously she got brand new ones, but I am not that rich, so I just hopped on Depop and got myself some pre-loved ones for, wait for it, 9 of your earth pounds. These, I've cleaned them up. I've done my classic soapy water, but instead of like fairy liquid, I use like a washing machine capsule. I like cut it open and like swirl it around, scrub it, and then use toothpaste on the like edges and like the stitching, and then whack them in the washing machine, and I bleach the laces and then use silver polish on the little Nike things. So today we're gonna give it a go. It's a bit of a different video. I've just put the laces back in and then realised I'm obviously going to need to take them out again to paint them. Try and make my own like custom Nikes. Please do excuse this angle. Like, I was trying to get it so you could like at least see what I'm going to try and hold it like here to like paint it. But like I could not work out an angle where you'd be able to see me and the shoes. So I might get like a little box or something that I can just pop it on so you can actually see what I'm doing. Yay, now you can see. I think I'm just gonna go for pastels and like do like each like section and then like the tick, and then leave some of it white, like the toe and like this little space. So I'm just gonna find my colors. I think I'm gonna go lilac, baby pink, yellow, and then like a greeny, bluey, probably blue. I was thinking like a kind of color like this, but maybe blue would be nicer. Right, I'm just gonna jump straight in, you know? Oh God. I don't have to make baby pink because I actually do have it. So I'm just gonna squirt it straight onto my palette, which is literally my favorite thing ever. You can tell how much artsy, craftsy things I do. Right, this is just like plain acrylic paint. I think I might have to do 2 coats. Whoa. Yeah, it's going on quite thin. I think I'm gonna do the edges with a thinner brush. This is gonna look so sick. I wanna wear these on my birthday. It's my birthday the day after tomorrow. It feels so wrong painting on a perfectly nice, good shoe. I've already had to charge my battery, so that doesn't really bode well, does it? Now I'm just making the lilac. The paint I use, some people ask me this on TikTok, is Liquitex Basic. It's really thick, it's really good, it's not like see-through. I'm a big fan, so if you're looking to get yourself some good quality paints, I'd get this one. I feel like it's not lilac enough, like strong enough lilac. This is such a sexy lilac colour. These shoes are gonna be so sick. I was talking to Emma yesterday. She came around for a little picnic time in the garden, and I was showing her and she was like, oh my gosh, yes, do pastel colours. So I'm going to send her a picture and she's going to be like, in love. This bit took so quick. Yes, that's what we love. Oh yeah, and I have to do the ticks on the other side. Forgot about them. Oh my God, I'm actually so excited now. Like, they're proper coming together. The green is looking so sick up against the purple. These are like the colours that Megan did. Oh, my back is hurting, like leaning over. I keep sticking my finger in the bits that are still wet, for God's sake. It's definitely like the fine edges that are the hardest and the most like time consuming. I'm scared of getting it on here. Oh dear. I keep touching it. It's definitely gonna need another coat all over. Okay, now I'm gonna do the yellow, which is the last bit. I don't want to get it on like, woo! Drop my brush on the floor, for God's sake. I don't want to get it on this bit. Is this called the tongue? That's such a horrible word. It's a bit luminous. It's not very pastel-y. I think I need to add a bit more white. Look. It's like luminous. Don't be like that. Be cute and pastel. Oh, I don't want the yellow to ruin it. It does, I think, look a lot. It looks a lot more like lurid on the camera. I promise it doesn't look that highlightery in real life. Okie dokie, man. I've finished. I made such a mistake doing this bit last because now it's going to be wet and we have to wait even longer to be able to put the laces back in to show you. But it looks a freaking sick. I'm going to have to like do another coat. I'm going to have to do another coat and then it's going to be perfect and cute. I've been using a bit of nail varnish remover on a little cotton bud to like get it off the white where I've accidentally got it on there. So I'm going to do another coat and then I will see you when we're putting the laces back in. I'm so excited. I still have to go and cook dinner as well. It's 7 o'clock. I'm sorry. Look how sick they look. Oh my gosh, it's like a couple hours later now. I've got changed and stuff. But they're all dry. I've put the laces back in. They look so sick. Oh my, I'm literally obsessed with them. For like £9 as well and like a couple hours of my time. Like, you have to try this as well. Oh my, like, these are insane. Imagine how much these would cost to buy, like if Nike made them. Oh, I'm so impressed with myself. Like, imagine how cute they'll be with like a little pink top or like my like white trackies. They're just on the ground, but like, and they match this. Like, oh, so excited. Oh my gosh. I'll insert a clip of me wearing them tomorrow with like a cute pink top or something. Oh, I'm literally so obsessed. Thank you so much for watching. Definitely go over and check out Megan's video. I'll put it in the description because hers was insane along with the rest of her fashion sense, which is insane. Let me know if you try this yourself. Tag me or DM me on Instagram. Go follow me on Instagram as well, where I'll probably post like how I style these. And follow me on TikTok as well because this is where I do my mostly like painty, arty, crafty things. And yeah, I hope you have an amazing rest of your day. Thank you very much for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!